Apple Watch is designed to help you boost your health and fitness. If you use your Apple Watch during workouts, chances are pretty high that you would be super glad to know that watchOS allowed you to automatically play your favorite workout playlist when you start your workout. This is exactly what you need to remain at the top of your game and give your best during workouts. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Watch app on your paired iPhone, and then ensure that the members tab is selected. And then you have to scroll down and choose the workout option. And after that, you have to scroll down again and find a workout playlist and select it. And finally, you have to select your preferred Apple Music playlist and you are all set. Going forward, whenever you start your workout, your selected playlist will kickstart automatically. It will not only save your precious time but also help you give your best during rigorous workouts. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy watchers, tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and bye bye.